Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if the update is stuck on update requested. As you can see, if you're trying to download iOS 16.2 and if it's stuck on update requested, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So as you know that guys, iOS beta 2 is out now, and if you're trying to download it, as you can see, it's stuck on update requested. So if you have this problem, then let me help you to fix this problem. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open your iPhone setting, then scroll down, click on general, then scroll down, click on iPhone storage. Then click on search bar and search for iOS. As you can see, it's downloading. Now click on the profile, click on delete update, click on delete. So once it's deleted, close the setting, then go to setting again, click on general, click on date and time, make sure that you set it to set automatically. So once it's done, then go back to software update section, click on software update. Now re-download the profile. So as you can see guys, in no time the beta software will start downloading. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.